Attention buyers, fridge, fence, covered deck included plus up to $15,000 in Buyers Concessions. Amazing one-level ranch west/3-bed 2-bath open floor plan. Cathedral ceilings and living room. A spacious kitchen with direct views to the family room allows for great entertaining or keeping an eye on the kids. Kitchen is complemented with a bar area, stainless steel appliances, and pantry. Master suite west/double vanity and tile shower. Separate laundry room. There is also a one-stop drop zone for all your goodies to remember as you are heading out the door. No HOA Private covered patio. This home will also have a privacy fence installed in the backyard. Maynard Construction. View video below. Very convenient to Fort Campbell, schools, shopping, and dining out.